Hey guys, welcome back to Power Apps Learning channel. Today we'll be looking at a simple navigation menu and how to toggle it, how you can expand your main content area in the Power Apps. So this is going to be a short video. I'll not be taking too much to showcase this. So what we are going to use to achieve that is mainly we'll be setting the relative width and conditionally we'll be hiding and showing the controls, uh, conditionally setting the X position of the controls. So mainly we'll be making use of parent dot width, uh, then X position, and depending on your how many columns you have in a gallery, which is your main content area, you can divide the width accordingly. Like for example, if you have 4 columns in the gallery control, you can divide parent dot width by 4. So let's quickly look at the demo. So let me just preview this. So this is your navigation. Let's assume this is your navigation area. This is your main content area. And if you click on this toggle navigation menu, so if you observe, we are hiding this navigation area, and in addition to that, we are also showing one more extra column here. Okay, if you just look at it, we just have 1 2 3 4 columns here, and as we are getting more space here, I'm showing one more column here. You can do this, or you can, if one of the column is having a large content, it could be a single line text or multi-line text, then you can expand the width of that column depending on your requirement. Either you can add more columns or you can expand the width of all of your 4 columns or 5 columns, whatever columns you're using. So that's the part. So let's see how we have achieved this. So I'll just close the preview. So first quick thing is on click of this uh, icon, we are just using a simple boolean variable which is hide menu, and it is set to itself, which is that's why we are toggling it on, and this variable is used to set the visibility of this gallery, which is the left side navigation menu. So you can see this I have set it to that hide menu variable. So that's the setting the visibility of this gallery. Now when the menu is hidden, we are going to set a few properties of this your main area or main content, you can say. So when you hide the left side navigation, we would like to set the X position of this gallery to 0, because it should start from the leftmost side, right? So when you hide the left side navigation gallery, we would need to set the X position to 0. So whenever it is true, we are setting it to 0, and if it is visible, we are setting it to whatever the width of your left side navigation menu. So that is one part which you are setting the X position of your main content. Next is the width, because if you set the X position, the whole gallery will move to this side, and then width we need to adjust. So when the navigation menu is hidden, like hiding the menu, then we are setting it to parent dot width, which is full width of your app. And if not, then the specific high width of your gallery, which is what it is set to right now. So that is about the width of your main content or main gallery, you can say. And now let's see how the width of each of the column or controls in the gallery is set. So if I just show you how these are set relatively. So if you look at it, it is parent dot template width, because we this is part of a gallery, so we'll be making use of a template width. Um this is -104 is the space which is needed for this icon. and then space, there's some space which we have left, and then 5 divided by 5 because we have 5 columns here. So similarly, again, depending on how big or small your content is, you can set the width accordingly. For example, in this case, I have divided it by 10 because this is relatively a small width column. And for this, if you look at it, uh, it's just like depending on if the left side navigation menu is hidden, so I'm dividing it by 3, and if not, dividing by this you can define the ratio. You can look at it, you can play with this, and you can just decide these parameters, and then the the other column which get hidden. So let me just pull out the navigation from here. So this is the label which will appear only when the navigation, left side navigation, is made hidden or toggled. So let me just show you the X uh, visibility of this control. So when the navigation is hidden, this will be visible, and the width is fixed width I have used. So you, depending on similar relative width also, you can use for all of your columns. So let's look at the preview one more time. So if you toggle it, our main content gallery is set to X position 0. The whole width is occupied. Uh, the width of each and every column is changed because this it's relative to the parent width. New column has been made visible, and again if you toggle it, it will be shrinked or the column will be removed. So that's it in this video. I hope this will help you guys. Just let me know in the comments if you have any question regarding this. Thank you for watching.